Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's up? Today I decided to do another eyelash extension tutorial. So if you want to see how I did my own lash extensions at home while in quarantine, then keep on watching. So the first thing that you absolutely need is some eyelashes, obviously. And you're gonna need eyelash glue, the permanent one. And this is just a clip of me putting on lip gloss. Don't know why I put it in. You're gonna need some tweezers. I have these and some cotton rounds and dance. And you're going to need some alcohol. And I just use the alcohol just to clean up my utensils and everything that I'm going to be using on my eyelids. And right here, I put some glue. That is all you need. You don't need too much. And I'm just going to brush up my eyelashes. Man, I sped this up a lot. And I'm just gonna take one eyelash at a time and then stick it into the glue. You don't need too much glue. As you can see, you just need a little dab. And all I do is just gently put it on my eyelashes. I make sure it doesn't touch my skin, because if it does, it's going to hurt when it dries. So you just want to put it on your eyelash close enough, but not so close that it touches your skin, if that makes any sense. As you can see, I just place it on my natural eyelashes and just stay there. Just put it there. I don't even try to push it in or anything. I just place it right on top of my eyelashes and I just leave it. And I just make sure that they're straight. Just like that. And this took me like around, to be honest, this took me like 25 minutes to do, but that's because I've been doing this for a while now. But if you're a beginner, it might take you a while to really get this, but I'm telling you guys, it's not as hard. All you have to do is just make sure that the glue is tacky and just take your time and do this. You're working with the tweezer, which makes it a lot easier. If you were to just use your hands, this would be very, very hard. So basically just do what I do. I just take my time and just place it on top and just make sure all the eyelashes are straight. Then what I like to do is to press the eyelashes together. That's when like everything is tacky, like almost dry. And then I just press them in so I know that they're stuck on. And that's the first one. That's my right eye done. And that's how I do it. Like literally, guys, this is not hard. If you're gonna do the individual lashes, it's a lot harder, but these are a little bit easier because it's like 5 eyelashes in one little row. So it's just a lot easier to do, but if you were to use the really single eyelashes, it would be a lot harder. Those are the ones that the professionals use. So I just did my left eye off camera, which was so hard. Oh my gosh. I don't know why my left eye is so hard to do, but my right eye always comes out better than my left. So yeah, this is the end of the video basically. If you just wanted to learn how to do your eyelash extensions, but right here I'm just doing my eyebrows because I didn't have enough footage to make this video long enough, so I just decided to show you guys how I carve my eyebrows out. But give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit that post notification bell, you feel me? I see the newcomers coming in and subscribing. I just want to let y'all know I see y'all. And I also changed my intro and my outro for my channel, so give me a big thumbs up for that also if you liked it. But yeah, new content and better content is on its way, guys. Next is my thumbnails. I'm gonna definitely try and make my thumbnails a lot better. So if you guys could give me some feedback on all the new work that I'm doing, please let me know down in the comments below, or you can DM me on Instagram. I will answer. But yeah, honestly, this video, I just wanted to do my eyelashes, and I was like, right here I messed up, but I just kept going. I just fixed it later on. But what was I saying? I forgot. But oh yeah, so honestly, I just wanted to come out with a video. I really wanted to do my eyelashes, and I really just wanted to post again. So this is just like a little video for you guys. But as I said, better content is coming out. I'm definitely really going to try on my channel. I'm done playing. You know, like when I just started my channel, I was just doing it for fun, and I'm still doing it for fun, but you guys know what I mean. Like, I'm starting to take it serious because I realize that I have potential. Okay, I have potential, and this whole editing stuff is really fun to me. I really genuinely love it, and I would love to just keep going and further my skills, because I really be sitting down in the house all day editing, and it really does take hours. But while I'm doing that, I'm having fun. I'm not stressing. I'm not thinking about things that I shouldn't be thinking about. You know, like, I am in my chill zone when I'm doing this. So when you guys say, hey, great job, good video, it feels so good to me, because honestly, I just do this for fun, and it's like, dang, y'all fucks with me for me just being myself. And like, basically, I'm just like in awe right now. So yeah, I'm about to hit 300 subscribers, so y'all subscribe, you know, so we can keep growing, grow the family. Okay, I'm trying to build an empire. Okay. But yeah, right now I'm just really just talking to you guys, because I feel like there's a lot of you guys out there now that I can actually talk to. But this is the final look, guys. Honestly, I just like getting cute. I really just like getting cute. I got some eyelash on my eyelid, but I can't take it off. While the days goes by, it will come off. But yeah, this is the final look, guys. I will see y'all in my next video. Better content is coming out, period. But yeah, enjoy the outro.